Welcome to MacGregor Cargo Boost presentation. This is episode 3. We have already discussed why cargo boosts are done and what can be done as a cargo boost, and today we discuss about how to define what to do in cargo boost. So it's very important that there are not done something stupid. So we always try to find out that what is the most beneficial cargo boost, what are these elements which really are giving the best benefits, so that it's not sub-optimized, and also not so that it's too much, so that it's not giving you any benefit anymore. So there has been no cargo boost so that somebody calls us and says that I want lashing bridge elevation, or I want adapters for ISO cap adapters for my vessel. We always make a study first, and we have simulation tools for making this kind of cargo boost studies, and we need for this kind of studies public files, so that we can see that what is the cargo profile, which is in this example case told here, so that how many 20-feet containers, how many 40-feet containers, what is the ratio between 40-feet standard, 40-feet high cube container, for example. And this all comes from the existing public files. We need existing public files seeing that what has been carried, and usually in main holes, so that we can see the biggest part of the route. So it's not so it's not always so important to see that what happens between the ports in Asia, for example, and between the ports in Europe. But the long haul, that's the most important. What can be carried there. And when we have done this analysis of the public files and we know the cargo profile, then we check that what can be carried today on board of the vessel. And here, for example, we can see that in this vessel 11,230 TEUs is possible. And then we use our consort simulation tool, and we start putting these elements what we were discussing in last episode, like ISO cap adapters or higher lashing bridges or external lashing or whatever, and trying to find that what gives the good benefit, what is the most attractive cargo boost elements, what can be done for the vessel. And for example, here now utilization rate was 84, and now we have gone to 90, so 6% more. There are more containers loaded, and we can see that okay, we can do some benefits in this case. But this is of course only one case, and it's proposal. And we are discussing with our clients that if they see that this is relevant study, or if there is something wrong, if something has to be changed, and so on. So this is nothing that we are doing alone at our office something, and then we come and say that this is it. So this is all the way discussions with our clients that what can be done. And there are of course many iterations, and there can be many routes and services checked. And in the end, this maybe this study looks a little bit complicated, but in the end, we put that in very, very simple form, which look like this. There is the zip, and there is shown that which kind of cargo boost elements could be applied in different positions of the vessel. Like here now, there is the proposal that there are ISO cap adapters everywhere on the board, except the aft bay, and then lashing bridge elevation, external lashings, and Mickey Mouse in this area. And again, this is not something that we say that this is it, take it or leave it. No. We start again discussing that how our clients see that is it relevant for them. There can be some other reasons like the bending moment of the vessel. Can you load more, for example, aft than fore, and so on. And for example, if I look this picture here, it's possible that okay, maybe lashing bridge elevation can be done only between the islands, for example, and then you can save a little bit money and time without doing this part of the vessel. And I have to say that it really is what we are coming, our proposal when we are coming to you after the study, it really looks like this. So this is from the study, this slide. So after all these studies and complicated simulations, in the end, it's very, let's say, simple form proposal, and always we are discussing together, not so that we are coming with the proposal and that's it. No, it's always iteration rounds after iteration rounds, and in the end we can find together the good solution. So that was it. Thank you very much, and see you in next episode.